Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Gunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti 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 Bolo Shishimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma, everyone, Jai Ma. Okay, now today I'm going to have this for dinner. So what I'm making is paneer with a lot of masala in it. Masala kya hai? All different herbs like coriander, mint, parsley, then little bit of suva bhaji I might put, or I might put it in the dip. Okay, I'll think about it. And then oregano, then all the dry masalas like chilli flakes, oregano, then mixed herbs, all these things, salt and pepper. ये सब मैं डाल के पनीर बना रही हूँ. Now in this paneer you need fresh, absolutely whole milk. Okay, not fat free. It needs whole fat milk. Then the paneer is soft and spongy and nice. And with that you have to put fresh cream when you are making the paneer. Then it's very fluffy. It's not karak. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to boil the milk and show you how to do. Okay. Now first switch on the gas. Okay. Then I've taken 1 liter of whole milk. It's got a lot of fat in it, okay? And boil it. Let it come to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, you put the fresh cream also. I'm going to put it right away. 1 whole can of fresh cream. And let it boil with that. When you add the two together, the paneer becomes soft and fluffy. That's what we are trying to do. In 1 liter of milk, 1 can, 1 packet of fresh milk, fresh cream. That's it, I think. Yeah. Now, once it comes to a boil, then I'll show you. I can add all the things also, not a bad idea. See, let it boil. In the meantime, this is all mixed stuff. Parsley, oregano, mint, coriander, everything is in this. Fresh I've taken, okay? So I'm putting everything in. This is coriander. Little bit of coriander also. So it's all masala paneer basically. And I'll put little suva also. This is suva bhaji. All the herbs that you can think of. You can put thyme also, rosemary also. That also I don't have, so I haven't put. Then I'm going to put some pizza masala. That tastes very good. The mixed one. Okay. You get the Jain one, which is no onion, no garlic. Then I'll put the sukha oregano. Then I'll put the chilli flakes. See? Nice and spicy. Chilli flakes is really not spicy, So no need to worry. Then I'll put some pepper. Then I'll put some salt. That's it. Then I'll mix it a little bit with all the masalas. And then I've taken 2 tablespoons of vinegar, okay, which I will throw in. So it will start cracking. And now once it crackles and the milk curdles up, the paneer will get separate. See, now it has separated. The water is separate and the paneer has separated. Okay, it's cracked up. So now we'll switch off the gas and then we'll strain it. See. Okay. Now we've strained it and the patila is empty. So patila nikal dijiye. Nikal do. Now the paneer is in the muslin cloth. Okay. We are straining it and then we have to put a little pressure on it, not too much. So we've taken a water ka patila. You see, the weight of the water patila that we are going to put on this should not be heavier than the paneer. Then the paneer will become rubbery. So let the water drain out and then I will put the patila. Covered the paneer with the cloth. Now we'll put a plate on it. Okay? हाँ, रखो. और उसके ऊपर पतीला रखो तो ताकि वो पूरा कवर हो जाए, पूरा पनीर. And now we have to leave it till the water drains out. Then I'll come back. Okay, now till the paneer is being done, I'll make the dip. It's a yogurt dip. Okay, it's very yummy. I make it quite often. This is the dahi. So you take the dahi. I'm taking the entire dahi, 1 bowl. Okay, I don't know how much it was, so I can't tell you the measurements, but it's kind of 1 bowl, this small bowl. Then you beat it up like this. This is done. Then what you do is take mayonnaise. This is ready mayonnaise, eggless mayonnaise you get. So take that and throw it in. Just andaz say 3 tablespoons, I guess, and then you can check if you need more. This is the mayo. Then you put in mustard, ready mustard paste. Okay, here goes the mustard paste. Again, see how much you need. Mix it up. I'll mix everything later. Then put lots of suva bhaji, dill. Suva bhaji is dill, in case you don't know. And then I'm putting little coriander also, little bit. Okay, I forgot my cloth. Okay, my napkin is here. Then you put in some pepper. Then you put in chilli flakes. Just andaz se, like nothing, no hard and fast rule. Then lastly, you put salt. Okay. Then you stir and mix it up. So this becomes your yummy dip for your paneer. And how do you serve the paneer? I'll show you once the paneer is done. Because once the paneer, all the water has come out from the paneer, then we have to saute it, like fry it a little bit, not deep frying, shallow frying. And then you have to serve, how to serve it in a plate that I'll show you. And then you dip it in this. This has to be very cold in the fridge, okay? I'll take this and mix it nicely. And the more it marinates, it will taste better. So this is how you do the dip. You get these ready-made dips and all that, but I don't use that. I use what I make at home. So I'll show you from close quarter. I'll bring the camera. See, this is the dip. Looks good, no? See, now the paneer is done. It looks so good. And I've cut it into cubes like this, okay? The water was all out. I took it out in the plate and it's very nice and soft. It's not rubbery at all. So now we have to fry it in the frying pan, which I'll show you because I have to adjust the camera again. And I'll show you a couple of pieces, like 2-3 pieces only. Just saute it, okay? It's not deep frying, it's shallow frying. So you have to just saute it and keep it aside. I'll show you. Okay, the gas is on. And now we put in a little bit of olive oil. In a non-stick pan, okay? Too much olive oil. Take less. By mistake, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Doesn't matter. And let it heat. थोड़ा गरम हो जाए ना, उसके बाद पनीर डालिए. Now, just saute. One, look at the cubes, so nice and soft. Just 3 I'm doing, just to show you. Now the trick with paneer is, supposing you've made paneer and you want to take, this is what I do when I go to Bhimpura or something, na Maharashtra. So यहाँ से मैं पनीर लेके जाती हूँ. So what I do is, I saute the whole entire bunch that I have, okay, of paneer, and I take it with me. So if you saute and keep your paneer, it doesn't go bad. But if you just take kacha paneer, it goes bad in a couple of days. So I normally saute and take it. Then it remains for 15 days also. So that is the trick. सौते करके एक एक लॉक वाला डब्बा कुछ हो आपके पास, उसमें ले जाइए, वो 15 दिन भी रहता है. See, this is how you saute, just a little goldening, that's all, and it's done. So that's how you saute the entire bunch. I'm going to have it for dinner, so I'm not going to saute it just now. I'll make it when I'm having it. And you switch off the gas and you're done. Now what you do is, you take your plate, okay? See what I've done. I've taken some iceberg, some olives that I have. You put this over here. I'll show how you serve. This is the dip. This is the paneer that we fried. This is the iceberg. And this is olives, black olives that I have. So if you serve like this, it becomes very attractive, right? So this is the masala paneer with the yogurt dip. It's yummy, try it at home. So that is that. Try it, let me know how you like it, okay? Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. ओम शांति शांति शांति. बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय. आज का मसाला पनीर और योगर्ट डिप, दही डिप, यमी. ट्राई करिए आप. प्लीज कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब if you like what I do. Otherwise don't subscribe, it's fine. जय मां.